using
I want problems always.
Can you behave yourself?
Jesus.
Don't be a foolish idiot.
Early this year, credit. Hello?
Hello, master.
Happy New Year.
I wish you the best. This one I just enter Facebook now, enter WhatsApp, enter even your IG. They post say new life, no things are pass away. I don't understand.
New Year, new life. What you pass away now?
Jesus.
So we there for new,
No, say na new year. They remember say they owe me.
Yes. Now old things now we there for New Year. New things, new money.
Okay. Now all things I be.
Yeah.
No problem. Your mother wey dey sell for Oyimi, she still dey sell for there.
Yes.
Okay. Your sister wey dey here still can she still dey?
Yes, she did.
So good. Your brother wey dey work for Choba, he still dey work there.
Are you playing?
Yes.
What type of playing?
Okay. Even that one, our last one, sir, wey dey help your mother sell for road. I see am today, o. Shey she still dey na?
Any problem?
No problem. I just see her this evening. Shey she still dey?
Yes, she did.
Okay, no problem. Wetin I go just set you na new year come. I go just leave your mama. Nothing go do your mama, I promise you. No? So that when old people don pass by, your mama go fit born new one. No problem.
I bet they like to cut things serious.
No, I no carry anything.
I bet send me your account number and send your money for you. Wow. And this small money now you don't involve to kill person, abi to take people.
No.
I bet I will send your money for you. I'll send your money for you. Send me your account number.
Ma send your account number. Take your phone now. Suppose get am.
Okay.
You get love.